And now, your first alert weather.
Well, we had the perfect recipe for some fog development today. We had a little sunshine, and you may have noticed the warmer temperatures getting out there earlier. Well, that melting snow getting into lower levels of the atmosphere, then mixed with dropping temperatures, not a lot of wind. Perfect recipe for some fog this afternoon and through tonight. Very foggy conditions in Idaho Falls. I was just checking with the latest flight statuses in and out of Idaho Falls Airport. It looks like all the flights tonight might be delayed coming in and departing. So you're going to have to double check with that airline if you're expecting a loved one. It looks like even the United flight may have been diverted back to Denver. It just says diverted, but they still have a flight scheduled to take off tonight. So we'll see here if that rings true. But what we have here is just kind of a wintry, foggy mix of weather here for tonight and tomorrow with warmer temperatures. All right, so we have stormy weather approaching with a cold front that's moving through, and as that cold front nears, we actually draw up that warmer air from the south before the cold front arrives. That's why our temperatures are expected to get all the way up to 40 degrees tomorrow with a rain-snow mix in the Snake River Plain. Then behind the front, we're going to see dropping conditions with the temperatures, and we'll get temperatures falling back below freezing as we head through the rest of the week, plus more wet weather on the way for this weekend. Winter storm warnings for our local mountains and a winter weather advisory for Jackson Hole and Star Valley. But no advisories or warnings for the Snake River Plain or as you're traveling towards Twin and Boise, and I'll show you why. Again, we have warmer temperatures, and we're looking at more of a rain-snow mix coming through here for tomorrow morning. Most of the heavy snow is going to be well above 6,000 feet tomorrow, and we will see scattered snow and rain showers even for the valleys of central Idaho, with some rain getting into the lower elevations. Some snow in places like Island Park and West Yellowstone, snow back through Teton County, Idaho, and Wyoming, but still throughout the day tomorrow, a wintry mix of precipitation with mainly rain in the Snake River Plain. Little bit of that rain and snow mix as you increase in elevation. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we have strong winds out of the southwest, keeping that snow and wet weather for the most part into the mountains. Dropping temperatures on the other side of the cold front here for Wednesday, which will lead the rain turning back over to snow. We will get some snow in the forecast, but you'll notice a lot of that snow is going to skip right over the Snake River Plain and head to the higher elevations. Then with colder temperatures, we do have more snow getting in here to ring in the new year. A fairly decent sized storm is going to get in here for Friday and Saturday. Looks like it's going to put down some accumulating snowfall New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Snowfall amounts for the next storm here for tonight and tomorrow. Again, not even really registering in the Snake River Plain because we're seeing more of a rain-snow mix. And here's a look at those wind speeds coming in here for tomorrow. Those winds out of the south driving in those warmer temperatures with winds well into the 20s and 30s tomorrow. We'll have areas of freezing fog tonight, slight chance of precipitation from that fog. Rain and snow in there for Tuesday, winds picking up here for tomorrow as well, with highs around 39 in Preston, 40 from Ladd, 36 in Lava, with highs around 36 in Star Valley. 36 for the high in Jackson, 40 for the high in Rexburg. Check out the Jackson 8-day forecast. Highs will be into the mid-30s tomorrow, but then we see temperatures dropping below freezing for highs Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and more snow in the forecast for Friday and Saturday. Moving over to Rexburg with a high of 40 tomorrow. 33 for the high Wednesday, and the winds continuing. We'll see a chance of snow in the forecast for Wednesday, and then we'll have scattered snow showers in there for Friday and Saturday with highs in the low 30s. Central Idaho, 43 for Chalice and Salmon tomorrow. We're looking at 37 for both Mackay and Arco with those winds out of the south. Highs in Salmon at 34 for Wednesday. We're at 28 for Thursday. And Salmon this weekend will have some scattered snow showers. Highs will be in the lower 30s for Friday and Saturday. For the Idaho Falls area, a high of 40 tomorrow, along with Rigby. 41 for Blackfoot and 43 for Pocatello, 42 in American Falls and 41 for Aberdeen. Blackfoot's 8-day forecast, highs in the low 30s for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have the mid to lower 30s with scattered snow Friday and Saturday. Moving over to Pocatello with a high of 43, rain and snow, gusty winds in the forecast, 36 for Wednesday. Then we got 34 for Thursday. Looking at highs here in the upper 30s for Friday and Saturday with scattered snow hits to carry us through the weekend. And Idaho Falls, we're going to ring in the new year with snow, but we have rain and snow in areas of fog tonight. Highs around 40 tomorrow afternoon. We're going to be dealing with highs into the low 30s for Wednesday, the upper 20s for Thursday. Scattered snow Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Linda.
Thanks so much, Michael.